So this is a demo about the ray tracing package. What we did here was to draw a room with a pool table. We draw the room as floor and 3 walls. Each one of them is a parallelogram. Then we draw the table by starting with a parallel plane to the floor, and we draw the border. Every border is a sequence of another parallelogram. Another way to do it was with the parallelepiped, but this gives you more flexibility with the textures, so you can give different colors to different sides of the border. Then we have a window on the front wall and a picture that you're gonna see once we run the ray tracing. Here you go. And the trick to do a window or anything or on the wall is to draw a parallelepiped and give it just a small elevation. Otherwise the picture doesn't render nicely. And then you give the texture of the image and it looks almost realistic. In this case we just took a picture. And another thing, if you're rendering a picture like this, what you want to do also to pay attention to the scale, width and height, so it doesn't stretch too much or doesn't compress. You can add any other type of detail. As you can see here, the legs of the table are 2 cylinders. So the ray tracing package provides a library that can draw basic geometrical forms like spheres, cylinders, cones, triangles, and other things. In this case we draw 2 cylinders with different radial axes to give it this nice shape. And we have 3 balls, which are simply 3 spheres. And we use the nice technique where you can draw an object and then you can clone it. So actually what we did is we draw a sphere and we copied it, then we changed certain attributes like the colors. So you don't have to redefine the same size and other things. And as you can see, all the floor and the walls, they have a certain index of reflection, so you can see through them. Ideally you shouldn't have this on a wall, but we wanted to show the refraction and the reflection. You can also set the light in a way that certain things are more illuminated, so you can change the position of the light. You can set the intensity and the color of the ambiental light, of the diffusion, and of the reflection light. In this case we have just one source light. You can have as many as you want, and you can change of course all the parameters and the intensity and the colors.